Hello, Bistro family. My name is Tisha Johnson, and I am the owner of Orleans Bistro and Grill, located here in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Orleans Bistro and Grill was established in 2017. We opened with the idea that we would infuse the community with a flavor of food like they've never had before. Well, one of the things that inspired me to open Orleans Bistro and Grill were my children. I have two beautiful daughters that have been enjoying my food their entire life. And they would invite friends over, and they would invite parents over, and they would always say, "Mom, I wish everybody could taste your food." And I never thought it was more than just that. Well, some years later, in 2017, Orleans Bistro was birthed. When we opened our doors, it was just a true delight to be a part of the Fredericksburg, Spotsylvania community. Orleans Bistro and Grill brought the Louisiana flavor. And I'm not just talking about food. A lot of my customers ask me, "Tisha, are you a native of New Orleans?" I'm not. I'm originally from Toledo, Ohio. I moved to this area in 1996, not knowing that one day I would own a very successful restaurant right here in your back door. So when Orleans Bistro and Grill opened, my idea was we would be the neighborhood Cheers. And let me tell you, you guys have truly been an inspiration to me. You guys have been a support to me, and you guys have made us just that. Some of the many things that we offer at Orleans Bistro and Grill: we offer Friday night DJ, we offer live music, we offer karaoke, we offer a staff that I would put next to any. When I tell you the service here is what I'm most proud of, and my team, they really bring it when they bring you service. So if you haven't had the opportunity to come out and try our cuisine and meet our staff, I invite you to come and have a seat at our dinner table. Now, as the owner of Orleans Bistro and Grill, my vision is much larger than the four walls you're sitting in. One of my ideas was that I wanted to ensure that the community knew that we were here for them. So every Thanksgiving, you will see me and my staff preparing meals for the homeless and for the community. You will see us also participating with our local sheriff's department for Operation Blue Christmas. You will see us partnering with many nonprofits in the area. For example, Unmasked, Empower House, Hope House, and many more nonprofit organizations in the area that we support. So I encourage you guys to visit us on our website, orleansbistrova.com. I also encourage you to visit us on our social media outlets: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and I'm just learning how to use Snapchat. So please come on out, have a meal, meet our staff, meet our team, and become a part of the Orleans Bistro family. When I tell you you shouldn't be disappointed, you truly shouldn't. From the gumbo to the beignets to the etouffee to my mom's peach cobbler that I make, you definitely want to come out and try some of the cuisine. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate you, and we look forward to, again, you dining at our table. Thanks so much. Bye.